Well, there are promising results for those diagnosed with the most serious type of skin cancer, melanoma. Drug makers Merck and Moderna say a personalized mRNA vaccine was shown to reduce the risk of cancer spreading or returning. Medical correspondent Dr. Darian Sutton is joining me now with more. So, Dr. Sutton, walk us through how this vaccine works and what these companies found in this trial.
Yes, Morgan, these are incredibly interesting results. So scientists were able to essentially use mRNA technology to teach the immune system how to fight cancer. This, for the first time, was released by phase 3 studies sponsored by Merck and Moderna. Essentially, they used personalized mRNA-based cancer treatment, and they found that it can improve outcomes of these cancers, specifically melanoma, one of the deadliest skin cancers that exists, when it's added to standard immunotherapy. Now, important to understand that the company has not yet released the full data set, so we don't yet know how much better it is, but a big step forward. In this study, they followed just over 1,100 people with high-risk melanoma, and they compared outcomes of standard immunotherapy to immunotherapy plus this personalized mRNA therapy. And they found that patients who received the combined treatment went longer without melanoma returning or recurring, and went longer without melanoma spreading or metastasizing to the rest of the body. Now, important to remind that we don't yet have the full data set to understand the difference, but it's a big step in understanding how mRNA technology can be used for cancer treatment of the future.
It sounds like all of this is still so promising, but also very preliminary, as you pointed out. So what are the big questions that would still need to be answered before this vaccine could be approved for widespread use?
Well, the big question here is survival, Morgan. Not only do you want to understand if patients are living longer without cancer, but you want to understand if they're living longer in general. Those are questions that are yet to be fully answered, and we don't yet have the formal timeline on the FDA approval process. But again, a big step in understanding how we can use mRNA technology at scale. Just a reminder to help understand how this even works. They examine those specific tumor cells. They train the mRNA or target the mRNA to train the immune system to target those tumor cells, and that's what leads to these outcomes. Hopefully, we'll see more results as the ABC News Medical Unit continues to follow this story.
And of course, I know that you'll be on it. Dr. Darian Sutton, thank you so much, my friend.